awesome invite today that I don't think anyone else in the block history has had before. But we got invited to the Scotty Cam's house.
Mr. Scott Cam's
For lunch.
own residence.
As Jimmy and Tam and Daniel and Jade are so far ahead on their rooms, I thought what could be better than we all have a barbecue at my place.
Perfect.
No barbecue at Scotty's. Attention to detail, time to chillax on the couch.
They could have come to lunch. Like they just had to do some styling, and Daniel, he was like, oh, nah, it's not my thing. What do you mean? What?
It's not your thing?
Lunch with Scott Cam is not your thing?
I don't get it. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Wow, this is one of the old blocks.
That's right, it's the old soap factory from 2016. Ah, the memories.
Hello, how are you? I heard some noise out here.
How are you, mate?
Do you like the foyer?
Oh my gosh, it's incredible.
Well, I love the block so much that I bought the Challenger part.
I can't wait to see it.
So you get that beautiful tropical feel.
Amazing. It's just got the most beautiful feel to it.
OK, shall we eat?
Yeah,
Why not?
Let's
do
eat.
it.
I do love a good sausage.
All right, so since we're here, I was wondering if you would have a look at our Suncorp Game Changer. So this is something that we've found. It's Murano glass from the 1950s.
That's a tick from me.
Yeah,
That's fantastic.
it's gorgeous, isn't it?
Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love.
Cheers to finishing early and lunch with Scotty.
Yeah, beauty.
We'll meet again, oh, life could be a dream.
We never thought in our wildest dreams we'd be having lunch with Scotty on a Saturday at his house.
How much money have you got in the bank?
Hang on, Scotty, I'll just show you.
How much money does she have in the bank? I really want to hear this.
There's that much in that one and that much in that one. You know what? We didn't realise how much money we had until Scotty brought it to our attention. And then we were like, oh, yeah, we actually do have a lot.
$62,000.
Yeah.
You've still got the $10,000 Suncorp Game Changer.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
So that's 72. Is there any other money coming in?
We've got the $10,000 high pages lever as well, so...
You've got the lever. I've forgotten about that. You've got the lever.
Yeah.
So you've got 82 grand.
Yeah.
Essentially,
If you
yeah.
put it like that, yeah, you do. It's offensive, honestly. And I've never had this much money, so I'm scared of spending it. It's not something we would ever boast about because in this competition, it is everything to everybody. And I think that would be...
That would be a dick
a
move.
dick move.
Got sent this from Scotty Cam before.
We're hanging out with Jimmy and Tam. It's fantastic. And you know what? The great thing they did? They brought all their cash with them. Look at this. They never go anywhere without it. They just brought all their money that they've got.
Cheeky buggers.
Fantastic. Cheers, brother.
Oh, well, I hope they win tomorrow, or they might look a bit silly if they don't win tomorrow going for lunch early.
Cheers, you beauty.